Good morning guys, today I would like to show you how to activate one-hand keyboard on this device. So at first open the settings, then find and select General and go to Keyboard. Here at the almost top of the list you will notice one-handed keyboard marker, and here you can pick either left or right option. So once you choose right, let me show you the keyboard and messages right now. It's located on this side, and once you pick it right side, it will be located on right side. As you can see now, you can smoothly grab your phone and write on it with one hand only. So that's it, that will be all. This is how you can resize your keyboard and how you can place it on particular side of your screen. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.